Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. Now learning the Tal Chautal. In Chautal are 12 matras is called count of swara divided into 6 parts. 6 khand means column and every khand or column have 2 matras. Now in first swara to start clap in Tal is called Sam and Tali in 1, 5, 9 and 11 swara means matra is called Tali means clap and then 3 and 7 matras Khali means empty or no clapping is called Khali. So guys, Tali means clap and Khali means no clap or empty. In Indian classical music there are two types of playing Tal. One is Khula baz, it means open, and second is Band baz, it means close. This tal is khulabaz means open and this tal is performed in pakhawaj. Pakhawaj is an Indian playing instrument like a dholak drum used in Indian classical music. This tal singing style is Dhrupad. Dhrupad is a one type of singing style in Indian classical music. How to perform Chautal? Watch and listen. Tha tha din ta kit tha din ta kit tak gadi gun. Hope you learn this video. Thank you.